Hey guys, and a huge welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about diastasis, also known as coning. It is that line that you notice going through the middle online. It's generally shared via postpartum women, but I'm gonna be really honest, men, babies, my daughter Jax has it, women who've never had a child and women who are postpartum all experience it. Now it is based on your Linea Alba losing elasticity and then having the inability to hold your abdominal muscles together. Now the reason that we want to work on this is because it can lead to back pain, pelvic pain, incontinence and bad posture. So I have two workouts for you at two different levels. Level 1 is for beginners but is for all of you, a place to start. And we're just focusing on 16 reps here, and I would recommend doing this 4 to 6 weeks every other day, if not at least 4 times a week. And then when you feel confident in that, then I would move on to the next level, which again, I would recommend 3 to 4 times a week or every other day for another 6 weeks. I can't wait to see your results, so please do let me know how you get on. So let's start with the workout. So the first exercise is going to look a lot like a bridge raise. Your feet are going to be close to your hands, and a bridge raise looks like this. The difference with this one is, what I want you to focus on is if you lay down and you have a natural curve, which most of us do, I want you to tilt your hips under so that we flatten that curve. Now, it's absolutely fine to have a small one, but let's just try and aim to get our lower back to reach the mat. Then what I want you to do here is I want you to concentrate on keeping your back glued to the mat, and I want you to simply roll your hips up and back down. So it's not really anything about your legs. We're going to do 16 of these, that's 2. It is simply just this really tiny movement where you are keeping your back nice and flat and you are bringing your hips and your bum and your lower abs up in a controlled fashion. So we have another 10 of these to do. Keeping your head relaxed. 7. Good. Keep that curve in that back so you can really feel the mat. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so the next one that we're going to go for is we're going to step out. So your hands can be here, but the whole way through this workout you are keeping that back planted to your mat. Nothing is moving. So for this one, we're simply going to step out with the foot. 1, bring it back in. 2, 3. You might feel like you're doing nothing, but trust me, this is all about helping your Linea Alba come closer together. Again, 16 of these. 10. 6 to go. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. So next one we're going to do is dead bugs. So keeping your hips flat, you're going to bring your legs up, bent, and we're just slightly going to move one from the other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just small movements. 8. Keep those hips down. 9, 10. If your back begins to arch, tilt it under again. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Beautiful. Bringing those down. So next one we're going to do is going to be a bent leg raise. So the legs are going to come up, and now we're going to take 1 down and back in. 2, 3. This one's much harder. 4, 5. So really focus on what you're doing. 6, 7. If that feels too hard, just take it to a small point where you feel comfortable. 8. Small movements. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and last one, 16. Beautiful. Okay, Okay, let's move on to the intermediate level. Now it's most important that when you do this, because we're going to lift our head and our shoulders, that you take note of the coning, that you look, and if you're not controlling it, you revert back to the beginner series. So 30 reps of each movement. Again, I'd recommend doing it every other day or 3 to 4 times in a week. Let's go. The difference with these workouts is your shoulders and your head is coming up. And also when your legs come up, you can now see your tummy. If they're coning, just the thought of you bringing all of this up, go back to beginner. So we're going to do full dead bugs. Arms come up. We're going to move one leg and one arm at the same time. 3, 4, 5, 30 of these. 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, you can reset at any time. 12. Try and get the shoulders up as high off the mat as you can. Halfway. And 10 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Bring the legs down. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is reverse plank lift. So we are here. We are pointing our toes. We're keeping our hips tucked under, and we're bringing up and down. Up. 2, 3, 4. Keeping a real strong focus on looking at your tummy and seeing what it's doing. 8, 9, 10. Good, guys. 11. This does also burn your triceps. 12, 13, 14. Good. Squeeze the bum. 17, 18. Small movements. 19, 20. Last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the next one we're going to do is knee tucks with a kickback. So you are on all fours. And with this one, you are coming in and tucking and then kicking back. So it's a real tuck together and kick back. 15 on each side. 4, nice, guys. The tuck is the most important part. Really crunch in, reach that knee to inside your elbow. 11, keep going. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Even yourself up, place your palms through the mat, bring the other one in, and kick back. 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more, ready, tuck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. We're going to lay down. We're going to bring our shoulders and everything up. We're going to bring our legs, and then we're going to tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you'd like to, you can place your hands underneath, but I prefer you didn't. 8, 9. Really crunch in, lifting your shoulders up as high as you can. 16, 17, 18, 19, good, 10 more. 8, 7, 6, bring those shoulders up a little bit more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Okay, I did get a little bit sweaty. So those are the 2 levels and the different movements for you to do. I will pop them in the description so you guys can screen save. You can save this video and please share with your friends. Please do not feel like you are alone in having it. Please don't feel like it's a negative thing or that it's ugly. It's not, but we do want to work on it because you don't want to end up with any of the issues I spoke about. So I hope you enjoyed. If you want another level, let me know and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.